Welcome back to another tutorial for my Spooktober series. This got pretty popular last year and I wanted to kind of just jump on the bandwagon, which is knife liner. You can definitely put this all over an actual shadowed lid or over just a plain eye. I'm doing a little bit of both by purely using a darker warm tone brown in my crease and then following up with blending the edges better into my skin with a transition color. As for the knife liner though, pretend you're making a big long wing, but just don't fill it in all the way, and you can totally be messy with this as you'll be using a liquid shadow to just kind of clean everything up. Instead of filling it in with a regular liner, use a liquid eyeshadow. This one's BFF from BH Cosmetics. You can use any silver liquid shadow. But as for joining the pieces together, basically just the part that connects the handle to the blade, we're going to be using Constellation from COLOURPOP. You can really just use any gold or bronze liquid eyeshadow for this. This is going to be the one you want to be a bit more clean with. Then back in with that eyeliner and just basically do a little bit of a wing. Then with a pencil eyeliner, you're going to want to just line your waterline, then bring it down a little bit to put a black from Makeup Geek over top of that. If you do want to blend out a little bit more, you can totally use a transition color for just that. Once you've got all the colors down though, that's literally it. Just top it off with a little bit of mascara and you're done. You can totally go a step further with this though with some blood, preferably on the fake end side of the spectrum. Going to be just using a red water activated paint for this from fxcosplay.com. It's a fab paint, which is a face and body paint, and just making some drips and voila.